A workflow in Asana is a structured project using sections, tasks, custom fields, rules, and dependencies to automate and guide processes. For example, content approval, hiring. Build it in a project or from a template. Here's how. Create project. Click plus create. Project. Name it, e.g., content pipeline. Choose board or list view. Add sections as stages. Click plus add section. Name, for example, draft, review, published. Create tasks. In each section, add tasks or subtasks with descriptions, due dates, mentions, attachments. Add custom fields, top right, customize, add field. Drop down, status, to do, in progress, done, priority, effort, etc. Set rules, customize rules. Example, when task moved to review, assign to editor plus set due in 2 days. Add dependencies, timeline view. Drag taskbars, mark as dependent. Save as template, 3 dots, save as template, for reuse.